Hello. Are you tired of struggling with inconsistent trades, missing opportunities, or feeling stuck in your trading journey? What if I told you that in just 3 days, you could learn the strategies and mindset that separate struggling traders from consistently profitable ones? This is exactly why I'm hosting the Forex Trading Bootcamp, a high-impact, no-fluff training designed to help you level up very fast. Over the course of the 3 days, we are going to break down the exact steps you need to take to trade with confidence and consistency. Here's what you will learn for each day. On day 1, the start, we will be learning mastering the market structure and price action. And so with this, you will learn how to read the charts like a pro. You will understand liquidity zones, order block, institutional traps. You will stop trading randomly, and start trading with precision. And for day 2, we start to take things up a notch. You will learn how to find high probability trade setups. Now, you will discover entry rules that work. You will learn how to spot manipulation and liquidity sweeps before they actually happen. You will get rid of emotional trading, and you will use a structured and proven trading system. And then on day 3, where we cap it all up, and this is where everything, in fact, this is the day that you will learn what separates the consistently profitable traders from the losing ones. Here we will learn risk management and scaling up your trading. You will learn how to protect your capital while maximizing your profit. You will learn how to manage your trades so you stop cutting winners short. You will learn strategies to help you scale your account with confidence. So this is not just another basic trading webinar. This is an in-depth, action-packed bootcamp designed for traders who are ready to take their skills to the next level. And what's the best part? You're getting all of this training live. I tell you, step by step, so you can ask questions and apply what you learn immediately. And because I want to keep the session very interactive and high value, the spots are really limited. So if you're serious about becoming a better trader, you need to act fast. Click on the button below, register for the 3-day Forex Bootcamp, and let's start building the trader you were meant to be. See you on the inside.